Hi everyone. Today I have an exciting unboxing and here I have 20th anniversary ROG Extreme mouse. I was like really excited after I saw this in a ROG store and they have this mouse open and you can see like what's inside. Like I saw this mouse and it looked really nice and I was like thinking, okay, I should go for this. So in here in China, like if you want to buy this product, you have to go through a referral pro and once after you pick your product and it's online actually, you get like once per day you get the chance to apply and once after that they will say like whether I can have the opportunity buy this or not. So without any delay, let's get unboxing. Okay, let's open up the 20th anniversary ROG Extreme mouse. So as you can see, as I also mentioned, I haven't even opened this white color wrapping. So I was really want to do it during my unboxing. So I'm gonna open it up and I'm gonna show you how the box design look like, because that's one of the main reason. Like this year, I mean this 20th anniversary, the box design is like really cool. I really like the color schemes and it's like it feels really premium. So as I mentioned, it's Chinese. I got it from in China. So everything is in Chinese, like this name like and all, but it's the same product. So I can find a sticker here. I think I'm supposed to open from there, like, but let me check if there are any other openings, because it has like a different kind of shape and that's also another reason I really like it. And you have this thread here, so the design I really like it. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So I don't want to mess up this box, so trying to minimize the damage as much as I can to the box, because I'm also thinking about like keep this box design as a memento. Yes, that was a clean. And let's see, here you have some opening. Yeah, I'm trying my best not to damage it. Oh my god, this is gonna be really challenging. Yes. Okay, you can take it out like this. So it's like a, there's ROG logo and 20th anniversary. So I'm less trying to figure out like how to open this up. So I think I'm supposed to open it like this. Oh yes, yeah, I'm supposed to open like this. So okay, so let me put it like this and open, because the mouse is actually on top here. So okay, that's really look nice. So let me take these parts and I'm gonna leave this one here. And yeah, the box, I really like the box actually. So let's leave it here. And yeah, so let's first go for the accessories. So the instruction of how to like take the polythene and what you can do and what you can't do. Actually, it's picture illustrations. So here you have a adapter. I convert into USB to Type-C. And here you have the cable, the white connection. And here you have, yep, 20 years strong, thanks to you. A small card, stickers. Oh, this is gonna be really cool. Okay, this is really cool. I'm gonna use these. So, other stuff like instructions, mouse features. So even I bought from China, they have like English explanation. So it's they have multi-language here support. So you can go through, even you can't understand, you have these pictures. Soon after you see these pictures, you know how to assemble it or like how to connect your gaming mouse. Yeah, also they mentioned it's a gaming mouse. Yep. Oh. Let me put here everything so I can keep it like a clean way. I'm gonna put back the cables. Oh, the accessory kit. I didn't open this one. What do you mean by accessory kit? Okay, they have a cloth to clean. Cleaning wipes. Oh, nice. Some metallic stickers. Oh, these are cool. Okay, I'm supposed to stick these into the mouse. So let me leave it as it is. Okay, let's keep this away. So this one is... Okay, let's get back to the main item. So here I remember like they were saying they have actual gold plate here. So wow, this box itself looks nice. I mean, wow, it looks really nice. Okay, I'm gonna open it and see like. Anyway, this polythene is gonna be like I'm gonna throw it away anyway. Wow, it's shiny. It's like each angle I can see like shining. Like it's really cool. Let me open up. Be really careful here. Oh man, that looks nice. And you have the wireless connector to connect the mouse to your computer. Adapter, wireless adapter. Wow, wow, wow. I mean the feeling. Wow, it feels really, really good. I mean here, it's not sticking. It doesn't even have any dust, like, you know, even I put my hand on it. Wow, wow, it's, I don't know, like, I think I'm not gonna use this for a while because it looks so nice. I'm afraid I might like scratch the surface and all. Wow, it's light. It's not that heavy. It says ROG Harpe 2 Extreme Edition 20. Wow, it feels so good. I really like this mouse, the feeling, and it's really small and it's also not heavy. So that's actually the downside as well because I like heavy mouses. So wow, it looked really nice. And this gold plated one, I think you can take it out. Anyway, I'm not gonna take it out. Let me try taking it. Can I take it out? Yeah, it's sticked. I know I'm not gonna take it out. I'm not gonna damage this cover. So yeah. So this is the end of the unboxing, and I found it like really cool, this mouse and all, and I'm gonna try it for like few times and see like if I if it allow, like I try my best to like not to damage it and all. And well, first see like if I start using it and if it like feel like good and I don't damage it, I'm gonna keep using it. So thank you for watching my videos, and this is actually the end of the unboxing of ROG 20th anniversary mouse, the Extreme Edition. So, and for the people who are subscribing, and thank you for that, and also liking my videos. And mainly if you have questions, you can ask in the comment section. I'll try my best to answer it. So yeah, this is it, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.